Today we're going to show you how to change the water inlet valve on your refrigerator. It's a really easy job. All you're going to need is a 1/4-inch nut driver, a pair of slip joint pliers, and a sharp utility knife. Let me show you how we do it. Now the first step in this repair will be to pull the refrigerator far enough away from the wall that you can gain access to the back of it. Then we're going to disconnect the power to it. Simply pull the plug from the receptacle. Next we're going to shut off the water supply to the valve and disconnect the inlet to the valve. And once we've done that, we'll remove some of these 1/4-inch hex head screws that secure the back panel in place. And carefully peel that back cover off enough to gain access to the valve. Now with the back cover out of the way, we can remove these two 1/4-inch hex head screws that secure the valve mounting bracket to the refrigerator. You can then pull the valve out far enough to disconnect the wiring harness to the valve. Set that aside. And then we can disconnect the tubing to the valve. That nut should just be hand tight, but if you need to use your pliers, you can. Pull that tubing out of the valve. Now we'll reinstall the tubing to the valve. Make sure we have that nut good and tight. We'll reconnect the wire harness to it. We'll tuck the valve up into position. And we'll line up the holes on the bottom for the mounting screws. Now that we've snugged up those two screws to the mounting bracket, we'll reinstall the back cover. Now that we have the back panel reinstalled, we're ready to reconnect the water supply to the valve and turn on that supply to check for any leaks. Then we can reconnect the power, push the refrigerator back into place, and our repair is complete.